Hello friends! In this video we are going to practice counting objects to 10. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to count a bunch of circles. So when a circle appears on the screen, I would like you to count it along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 circles on the screen, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about the numbers 1 through 10. So on this screen it says, how many stars are there? So there are going to be different stars that pop up on the screen, and I want you to count them along with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 stars on this screen. And this is what a number 5 looks like. It has a little hat and it comes down and it circles around. Okay, good job, friends. Next, we're going to do the same thing, except this time we're going to count how many hearts there are on the screen. So when a heart appears, I would like you to count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 hearts on this screen. Good job, friend. So on this next screen, it says, can you draw 2 objects? So I would like you to grab a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen or a marker or something that you can draw with. And I want you to draw 2 objects. They can be squares, circles, triangles, whatever you would like. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of time to draw 2 objects. Okay, friends. So I'm going to show you my drawing and we'll compare and make sure that we both drew the right amount of objects. So this is my drawing. I drew 2 blue squares. So I would like you to count your drawing as I count mine. So I have 1, 2 blue squares. If you have that many, good job, friend. Next, we're going to get a little bit tricky. I want to see if you can draw 6 objects. So go ahead and on that same piece of paper, see if you can draw 6 new objects. Okay, friends, I'm going to show you my drawing, and then I want you to compare it to your drawing, and we can see if we both have the same amount of objects. We should have 6 drawn. So here's my drawing. I drew 6 purple squares. So I would like you to count your objects as I count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you had 6 objects drawn on your paper, good job, friend. We're going to do one more practice. And on this one it says, can you draw 9 objects? I know that's a pretty big number, but I think you can do it. So go ahead and draw 9 objects on your paper. Okay, friends, I'm going to show you my drawing and we can compare one more time. Okay, I have 9 yellow squares here. Now let's count them again just to make sure. And I want you to count your objects as I count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you had 9 objects drawn, good job, friend. Alright, and on our last slide, we're going to do the same thing that we did when we very first started this lesson. We're going to count all the circles that pop up on the screen. So when you see a circle pop up. We're going to count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, friend. Thank you for counting all the way to 10 with me today.